Xtractor brushes examine your surface and undo history to copy and paste your details. Start by clicking on the undo history state right before the creation of your texture. If you don't have the undo history of its creation, simply click on the very last undo history state. Next, press the G key, click, and drag across to copy and process. When done, draw your copy detail in any direction. To save on processing time, try isolating all but your focus area before capturing. Xtractor Dot is a drag dot variant of the Xtractor brushes. After pressing the G key to enter capture mode, center your cursor to your detail, then click and drag to copy. Now you can paste your copy detail in drag dot fashion. The Xtractor brushes also copy polypaint information. Xtractor Drag Rect is the Drag Rect variant of the Xtractor brushes. Press the G key and center your cursor on the subject before, click and drag into capture. These brushes can help you save time on replicating surface details.